Are you looking for the best microchip pet doors? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best microchip pet doors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. SureFlap-Sure Pet Door. The SureFlap Microchip Pet Door in white is a smart, secure solution for pet owners seeking to control entry into their homes. Designed for selective entry, it scans your pet's RFID implanted microchip on entry only, preventing stray animals from getting inside while allowing your pet to come and go freely. It can recognize up to 32 different pets and also supports programmable RFID collar tags, sold separately, for pets without microchips. Programming is easy with a single button, and you can even set a curfew mode to lock and unlock the door at specific times. The door flap measures 6 and 11/16 inches by 7 inches, suitable for small dogs and cats, and it can be installed into doors, windows, or walls with compatible accessories. The battery-powered system uses for C-cell alkaline batteries, not included, and offers up to 12 months of operation, with a red flashing low battery indicator for timely replacements. Compatible with 9, 10, and 15-digit microchip numbers, it's a thoughtful and practical gift for pet lovers looking to enhance their pet's freedom while maintaining home security. Number 2. SureFlap-Sure Cat Flap. The SureFlap Microchip Cat Door in white offers a secure and convenient solution for cat owners seeking to control access to their homes. This selective entry flap uses RFID technology to read your cat's implanted ID microchip, ensuring that only your cat can enter while keeping stray or unwanted animals out. It stores up to 32 identities and also supports programmable collar tags, sold separately, for cats without microchips. With a simple one-button setup, it's easy to program and operate. The flap opening measures 4 3/4 inches high by 5 5/8 inches wide, making it suitable for most cats, and it can be installed indoors, windows, or walls using additional accessories. Powered by 4 AA non-rechargeable alkaline batteries, not included, it offers up to 12 months of battery life, with a flashing red indicator to alert you when the batteries are low. Compatible with 9, 10, and 15-digit microchip numbers, this cat door is a thoughtful and functional gift for cat lovers, offering peace of mind and enhanced home security with a 3-year warranty. Number 3. CatMate Activated Cat Flap. The CatMate Microchip Cat Flap, North American version, white, medium, offers a secure and convenient way to control your cat's access in and out of your home. It operates using your cat's unique microchip or an optional PetMate ID disc, sold separately, automatically unlocking only for recognized pets to keep unwanted animals outside. The 4-way rotary lock provides complete access control with settings for in and out, in only, out only, or fully locked. Designed for small to medium-sized cats, the flap opening measures 5.71 inches by 5.71 inches, giving your pet comfortable and easy access. Its magnetic closure and full brush sealing ensure the flap is draft-proof and weather-resistant, helping maintain indoor comfort. Installation is straightforward and the cat flap is compatible with various door materials including UPVC, metal, wood, and even glass panels. It features a cutout size of 6.81 inches by 7.80 inches and self-lines to doors up to 3.35 inch thick, making it a flexible and practical solution for pet owners. Number 4. PetSafe Microchip Cat Door. The PetSafe Microchip Cat Door offers a secure and convenient solution to give your feline friend freedom while keeping out unwanted guests. It reads your cat's unique 15-digit microchip ID, allowing only programmed pets, up to 40 total, to enter, while programmable collar keys are also available for non-microchipped cats. With for locking options, locked, unlocked, enter only, and exit only, you can tailor your cat's access to your needs. The dual magnetic latches and built-in weather stripping help block strays and outdoor elements from entering your home. Designed for easy installation in most wood, PVC, and UPVC doors, additional accessories may be required for metal, glass, or wall installations. Whether you're at work or sleeping in, your cat can enjoy independence and access at all hours. Backed by PetSafe's US-based customer care and a legacy of pet-friendly innovation since 1998, this cat door is a reliable way to enhance both security and comfort for your home and pet. Number 5. SureFlap DualScan Cat Door. The SureFlap DualScan Microchip Cat Door is designed to work seamlessly with your cat's existing microchip, providing a secure and selective entry and exit system that helps keep out intruder cats and wildlife. Featuring advanced DualScan technology, it allows you to set custom exit permissions for each pet, making it ideal for households with both indoor-only and outdoor cats. The system can store up to 32 pet identities, ensuring compatibility from multi-pet homes. The door flap opening measures 4 3/4 inches high by 5 5/8 inches wide, offering a comfortable passage for most cats. Installation is flexible and can be done indoors, windows, or walls, with a range of accessories available to suit various setups. The unit is powered by 4 AA batteries, not included, which typically last up to a year with standard usage, providing a low-maintenance and highly effective way to manage your cat's outdoor access.